Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate toppings. First, let's create a simple chocolate ganache. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of chopped chocolate. Heat the cream until it just simmers, then pour it over your chocolate. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then gently stir until it becomes a smooth, glossy, and irresistible topping. This classic is perfect for cakes or ice cream. Next, let's whip up a fantastic homemade chocolate syrup. You'll need 1 cup of cocoa powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine these ingredients in a saucepan and bring to a gentle boil, stirring constantly. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 8 minutes until it thickens. This rich syrup is wonderful for milkshakes or drizzling over pancakes. Now for a truly fun topping, the magic shell. This amazing creation hardens instantly when it touches cold ice cream. To make it, simply melt 1 cup of chocolate chips with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Stir until completely smooth. The coconut oil is the secret ingredient that allows it to solidify quickly. Pour it over your favorite frozen treat for a delightful, crunchy coating. To ensure your chocolate toppings are always amazing, remember a few key tips. Firstly, the quality of your chocolate truly matters. Choose a brand you love. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment with flavor. A few drops of vanilla, almond, or even peppermint extract can transform your topping. Most homemade toppings can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks and gently reheated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.